All right, everyone. Hello and good evening. All right, so I did actually end up going long on the pound. I want to talk about that trade as well. Uh, this is perfect. So it looked like a little bit of a bounce as well. Let's put together. Okay, so the entry here was pretty much based on. It was sort of this candle here, and it was looking like it consolidated and was making a breakout. It was a pretty tight stop, so the entry was actually on the 1 hour time frame as well. Wow, I got a little bit of sun today as well. I had athletics training, and it was warm. Now, okay, let's get the crosshairs out. So entry was pretty much here, and as you can see, the stop was it down there? It was pretty much down here at the low of this candle here. So, aggressive entry, very small size. So it was just tentatively just to see if I wanted to break further, then I would have added to the position. But it didn't, and as you can see, I don't. I know there was chatter about the Bank of England lowering interest rates and things like that, but I saw it and technically I liked it, so that's all right though. That's something end of the world. Again, small position. Let us talk about the Aussie dollar now. The Aussie dollar is really interesting. Now, my main concern with the trade deal and the signing of the phase one deal with China later tonight for us here in Australia is that, there's a few uncertainties still. So I'm going to be careful with this trade. So if Donald Trump makes some announcements about this happened and it's unexpectedly negative for a complete trade deal, which is a long way away, then we're going to see the Aussie dollar sell off. So I like the price action here. It's pretty bearish, so we'll see. But that's really what I'm looking at, because it could not. It tried with 69 cents, and it couldn't really hold above that. So that's my trade idea for that. But on the daily, always go to the higher time frame as well. Pardon me, everyone. It's just a point of interest right now. It's early days, but it could offer some real good value to get in. USD yen, I was talking about this long potentially at the start of the week. We'll see. The yen has sort of caught a bid, and it's not. Yeah, the US dollar is a bit of a mixed bag right now. So I'm not going to trade that. I'm going to see later on tonight what it's doing. So that's a potential trade. And Aussie Kiwi. All right, let's talk about the Aussie Kiwi. I talked about this as well in my previous video. All right, on the daily, it is interesting, and it's at a key point. Again, I want to see what happens with the trade deal, and if in fact it follows what people are talking about, that it's going to be a phase one. There's going to be, people are going to be not surprised, but if things are a little bit more negative than anticipated, I see the Aussie dollar weakening a little bit, because they're disadvantaged with the sanctions. Well, not the sanctions, but with the negative trade deal news. All right, so that's the video, guys. Pretty much just a quick one. Actually, no. Let's see what gold's doing. Let's see what gold is doing. I don't know why it doesn't let me. All right. Okay, let's see if I got gold up here. All right. Okay, so gold's interesting. Again, the trade deal, the actual announcement's going to be quite interesting to see how gold reacts. Obviously, if uncertainty is still present after the signing, then it's going to be very much gold could rally a little bit, but we'll see. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now. Probably another update video coming tomorrow night. Okay.